So I decided to cook fusilli. We'll have it for dinner. So for the fusilli, I'm going to make a sauce, and I'm going to use all these ingredients to make the sauce, and coupled with our special that we make, we are going to enjoy it as our dinner. Fusilli is done. You can see I'm going to pour it now. We are going to make our sauce for it. And yes, while our stuffed broccoli is still in the oven, I'm going to pour this. Fusilli is ready. Looking tasty, nice. Next, I want to cook the sauce, and I'm going to use carrot and paprika, mint, garlic, grated garlic, diced mushroom, cooked onions, and our yes, everything is going to come out nicely. So let's go on, let's begin. Pour in a little bit of oil, just a little, and then we are going to infuse flavor with our garlic and onions. I always say this, infuse flavor into your oil before you begin. So the first thing, we are going to put some garlic. So we are going to put oil. And then onion. Allow it to toast a bit. Infuse flavor everywhere, aroma everywhere. The next thing, I'm going to put my meat and my mushroom at the same time. This meat is a very thin sliced meat. You can see it's like in form of a barbecue, so it's going to take just little time to get done. You can see it. So I'm going to lay it flat like that. You can see. And allow the onions and the garlic to infuse into it. Then I'm going to pour the mushroom all over it. These days I'm eating more mushrooms and I'm liking it. So allow everything to soak in, the mushroom, the onions. Oh my god, you need to be in this kitchen. The aroma is just really satisfying. On the other side of the meat. Oh my god, this is toasting already. Let me show you. Look at that. Look at it. Can you see? Can you see? This is going to come out really good. I can't wait. This is going to come out really good and I can't wait. Turn the other side. Let it also have a toast. And also let your mushrooms steam nicely. Our carrot and paprika. Our carrot and paprika is what we are going to add last, because you can actually eat them raw before we add in our cream and spice everything up. Okay, so next thing, we are going to pour our carrot and paprika all over and allow everything to simmer together. You can see that this meat doesn't take time to cook. So add in your favorite spice mix. Please use your favorite spice mix. Use your favorite spice mix. You don't have to use exactly what I use. Use what you love. That's why it's homemade. Okay, Mix, mix, mix. Everything is going to come together shortly. Next, put in our cream, cooking cream. Next, we pour in our fusilli and you work everything together. Work everything together. My goodness, the aroma is great. Well, my first trial didn't come out bad. Look at that. Some of the water that came out from it, I've used it in the fusilli, creamy fusilli. Can you see? So, everything looking tasty, everything looking yummy. Look at that. It's done. The broccoli is looking good also. Like I said, if you want to make this, make sure you buy 2 plates of speck, 2 to 3. I didn't have enough speck to round it well, and that's why it came out. This side is looking good. Look at that, looking good. Delicious. Woo. Delicious. Delicious. Thank you for cooking with me. Please like this video, comment, share, subscribe. Peace out.